Prepare the pasta per the package directions. And there's 8 ounces. I'm gonna add my olive oil. I think I got my skillet up a little too high. I'm gonna turn that down a bit. And add in 1 pound of ground beef. So the browning should take about 3 to 5 minutes. I'm just gonna keep crumbling the beef as it cooks. Just going to drain off the excess grease. Just need to add in a little bit more oil. Turn this down. I ain't going to saute the onion. I'm just going to stir this until it's translucent. Should not take any more than 2 to 3 minutes. Okay. Now add in the garlic. And also add in Italian seasoning. 1.5 teaspoons of Italian seasoning. We're just going to let this stir for a minute before we add in our flour. Add in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Get that mixed in with the onions and the garlic. Once that flour has a nice light golden brown color, I'm going to go ahead and add in the beef, the beef broth, beef stock, whichever one you're using. That's 2 cups. Put that in first. Then a 15-ounce can of tomato sauce. Put that in. We got a good boil going. Just going to give that a stir. Turn down the temperature. So we can now just let it simmer. We want to allow this sauce to reduce and also to thicken. And that should take about 6 to 8 minutes. Just giving it a stir occasionally. All right, so it's been 6 to 8 minutes. The sauce has thickened. It's been reduced. Now I'm going to add in the heavy cream. This is 3/4 cups. 3/4 cup. I said cups. 3/4 cup. Mix that in. I turned the beef back to the skillet, to the pan. Whichever one you're choosing to cook out of. I chose to use my electric skillet. I just wanted to pull it out and use this one. But you can cook it on the stove in a large skillet. Okay, now we're going to add our pasta back in. want to get some of that sauce within those shells. All right. Want to give it a taste to see if it needs any additional seasonings. As far as flavor goes, it's absolutely perfect. It doesn't need any salt. I am going to add some crushed red pepper because I do like to have a little kick. Of course, the red pepper flakes is completely optional. You do not have to add that in there. But again, I just like to have that little kick to it, so I do add in some red pepper flakes. So now we're going to add in 1.5 cups of shredded cheese. Usually I like to shred my own cheese, but on those days where, you know, you just got in from work or you're just tired, excuse me, the bagged cheese works also. And we can turn the temperature to warm or turn it off, because the cheese should just melt from the heat of this dish. So if you're looking for an easy meal, doesn't take long to cook. This is not like a 30-minute meal. This is probably more like a, 40 to 45-minute meal. But it's nonetheless, even though it's quick, it's still very hearty. It's also delicious. So here you have it. Another quick and easy meal Hugged by Grandma, my creamy beef and shells. You can have it with a side salad, or you can just serve this alone, maybe with some dinner rolls. Again, thanks so much for joining me. I look forward to seeing you guys again on the next video. Y'all have a great day.